Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. We posted a video on unboxing of Accenture Welcome Kit. So we got some questions, means how can we get this kit and when can we get this. So in this video we will let you know how can you get the welcome kit if you are an Accenture employee. So this is my welcome kit. I got it last week. Earlier, I wasn't aware of the procedure, but now I know the procedure of getting the welcome kit. So I will share the procedure with you. So for getting this welcome kit, you have to order this welcome kit. So for placing the order, you get an email in which you will get a link. With the help of that link, you will be able to place your order. So in some cases, Accenture is sending that email after the probation period or once you get confirmed. But some employees got the email before the confirmation. So it is not fixed. I think it is a system generated process. Means system is sending the emails. So you have to wait for this email, and as soon as you got this email, let me show you the mail. You can place your order like this. You can add the welcome kit into the cart, and then after inputting your address and contact details, you can place the order. After placing the order, you will get the welcome kit within 2 weeks. So guys, wait for this email and place your order. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Do comment your doubts and share the picture of your welcome kits with me.